I have not.
No table?
Is it? I can.
I'll just look at your...
Okay.
Go ahead. I actually really prefer you doing that. Because
yes,
this
really
reminds you later. So this is the average, right?
Yes.
Average column.
Yes, yes. I have also Excel if for you it's better.
Okay, I'll just go ahead with the SPSS. So that's the intention score, right?
Yes.
That's the subject number. Oh, good. Okay, you do exactly what I told you. The 300, right? I checked. The other problem that you had is the adjusted R square. I checked on the on my reference that sometimes due to a large sample size, if the sample is too large, then the adjusted R square will be reduced. So the point is that 300 people is not a small sample. So typically the 0.6 benchmark is for 100 people sample.
I get it.
So I think if that's the case, then 0.46, 0.5 something is acceptable.
Thank you, God.
Yes, but we're trying to make it, above 0.6 anyway.
Oh, really? It's possible?
We'll just try. We're trying it now.
Okay.
So these are the IVs, right?
Yes.
And these are this is the DV.
Yes.
So we go to analyze. Regression. Linear. You already got here,
yes,
right?
yes.
So that's the average. Let's try. So these are already selected, right?
Yes.
So the result is still 0.46 something, right?
9, I guess.
0.6, 466. Okay. How about we go to the Excel?
Close.
Close? Okay.
Yes.
So this time I will make new 5 new columns. So this is so I'll make a function here. So let's say the average. Okay. What's the average?
It's Russia. Okay.
Average. This is the average, right? Yes. I want the average for the P column.
Okay.
The quicker way of selecting it, I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll show you. There's a hotkey, and maybe it's good for you to know also, Donna. Okay. You select this one, hold Control and Shift, and then press the down arrow. Then it's all selected.
Okay.
Hold the Control and Shift and press down. Okay, and then we just, this is the average, right?
Yes.
So then just enter, right? This is so that's the average for P, right? So what I will do is that now I want each cell, each number to minus this one and make a new column. Can you do that? Each number here.
Okay.
Each number to minus this one and to make a new column.
Okay. Wait.
Equals. Oh yes, equals this one. Select this one.
Okay.
Minus that. And then, okay. That's the result, right? And then just drag it down. See.
Oh.
We're just gonna check. No, it's not correct.
It's not correct.
No, it's not correct. So how to do it?
Maybe I can create new column.
Oh, I see, I see. This one. This one's L10. L10. Oh!
We need $2, no?
No. I know there's a way. So delete this one. Delete this one. Where's the delete button? Oh, here. Delete button. We change things in the function here. Okay? So it's A2 minus this one. Minus 4.2 minus 4. How? 4 point. Okay. Oh, okay. 4.6999. Okay? Right? And we hit enter.
We can't put.
I think we can. We just minus a number, right? A2 minus this number. Oh, this is not dot. It's gonna be like this, right?
Yeah.
It's like a comma. Then you can drag it down to the end, and it should calculate all the numbers. See? It's correct.
Yes,
That's the difference for each row. Right? Okay. Then you keep doing for A, the average. For A, you do it. For A, C, H, V. You work out the number here.
Can I put the name?
That's a new P. You just name that column new P.
Okay.
Because that's the heading. No. This one. This is the intention. This is the intention. Yes. This P is new. New P. Yes. And this is a new A. And you do the same thing. Okay? I'll go to the questions. Okay? When you finish, let me know. Okay? So it's the same rule, you understand? First, you calculate the average number for that column. You leave it here. And then you ask each of the number to minus that average number.
Okay, for the same. Okay.
You know, not this one. It's the new one of the A column. You understand? It's the new one.
Get it? Okay.
So first, you need to work out the average number for each column, okay? For each column.
Okay.
And then and you make it here. And then for column A minus the average of the column A, okay? And this one already disappeared. What happened?
It's like, so this one minus this one, right?
Not this one already been used.
okay,
We don't need it anymore.
I
It's the new average that coming from each column, okay?
Sorry. Okay, P.
Okay, Matthias.
0.8.
Hello. Good. So, what did I ask you to come for?
You asked me to give the USB drive so that you do the videos.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, you grab a seat.
Yeah.
Are you using the VPN?
Yes.
Yeah? So you can access YouTube and Facebook?
Yes.
Yeah, right? Yeah. You know how to do it, right? Okay. So, first I'll give you the software. I'll just check to see if it's here.
I know, but
It's English version, so don't worry, okay? So basically that's the serial number. So you just have to copy the serial number when it asks you. Okay. And that's the installation folder. Okay, this one. So you just open and then you just click setup. If anything comes up, ask you to install port driver, because your computer is Windows, right?
Yes.
And you are Windows 10 or Windows 7.
Windows 7.
Okay. It may not show up, but just in case if this computer asks you to install port driver, you just hit ignore. Okay. Because Windows 7, I think it's already installed. Okay. It's for the box driver and port driver. Okay. You just have to ignore it. Okay. And then it will be installed. And after that, you can just open and use it. Okay. So I'll just copy the folder to you now. Okay. So don't worry about support. Okay. Don't worry about this. Okay. So just copy and paste the SN when it asks you. Okay. So this one, prime 0. Okay. I'll copy that. You have the yes. There's no virus, right?
No virus.
It's not showing up. Maybe we need to wait. We'll try Is that a very big?
500.
Oh, 500 should be okay.
Because like one, it's really expensive. It's like
Or if it's possible, can you make that to do it?
This one is big one.
Big one.
Big one, so it's better to copy that here. So what I will do, maybe I will copy here.
Still not working.
How about maybe you can use the other computer when they finish. Very strange. It's installing. Oh, yeah.
It's working now.
It's working now. Oh, you have virus. Yeah.
Can you clean it?
It's scanning the virus. This is how you fix it. You go to the variable view, and then you change the string to numeric. Okay? Okay, please do the rest. You change all the string variable to numeric, because string variable means the name of the place or name of the person. Okay? It's not like a numeric. So we can't use name of the person, name of the place into the analysis. We can only use numbers.
And Losha, can you tell me how to fix this one?
The decimal places. You go to variable view and change the decimal places to 0.
Okay.
Change this to 0.
Okay.
You're doing it and while you're recording. And it's my voice.
Something happened. No way. It's cut.
Sorry?
The result is cut for everything.
Okay, so you need to change the decimal places
Or
to
2?
maybe 3.
3.
3. You make it all 3 here. Okay.
But Losha, before I cut it for 2 here and not here.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
The last digit will be 0,
Okay.
so it won't matter.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
So Donna, how did you go with yours?
I started rewriting all the blah blah that I wrote
Blah blah.
to make it more sense.
So the questionnaire is already finished, right?
The question is finished, but I haven't started analyzing it yet. I was working on the content.
It's still the same, right? Then we just have to go ahead with this one, 0.466. We just leave it as it is.
So should I explain it in my
Yes,
page?
you have to explain it. This is how you explain it. Because you made the questionnaire yourself, and potentially there might be other variables that you missed when doing the regression. Because initially you started with 8 variables, right?
Yes.
And because your data only supports, you have 5 factor model, not 8. So you removed the 3 factors. And maybe the factors that you removed might be really important in the regression. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's why it reduced this at adjusted R-square. If we take back the 3 factors, then the adjusted R-square might improve to above 0.6. However, we can't do that because they do not, our data do not support them. Okay. However, maybe you can find some papers that use similar adjusted R-square in their publications, saying that it is still acceptable for us to do the regression test when the adjusted R-square is below 0.6. Find some articles that you can reference. And then you can just say, following the study of blah, blah, blah. Okay. Following the study of the author. Okay. Because that author has the KMO test score of below 0.6. And the author used it, so we first follow their study. Okay? That's how you explain it.
Should I write in thesis like I try the way with average and also I try to do like this? I need to write it or not?
You don't need to write it, okay? All you need to do is that originally you have 8 dimensions. And you need to explain why you reduced to 5, okay? That's the only thing you need to explain.
So I don't need to explain how I get analysis, right?
You need to explain it under the I think in the results section. In the results section, you need to show all the results. Okay. But for the explanation, you leave it after the results. It's the data analysis and the discussion section. Okay. You explain why the result it looks like this. Okay. But in the results section, basically you just have to report the result. Okay, whether it's significant or not. Okay, which variable is significant? So in this case, there are some variables that is significant. This one is not. So P is not significant. So you make sure